Hello my people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your macaroni fruit salad. I'll be using some fruits like mango and pineapple and salt to cook the pasta and the oil to cook the pasta so that it doesn't stick together. I'm using the overripe pineapple because I want it more tasty. And I'll be using the water in cooking the pasta. I'm gonna be running my pasta just to clean it, wash it before I start the cooking. I'll be pouring it into my pot. I'll put the water. I will add enough water to let it cook, and the salt, the taste, and the oil to make it not to stick together. I'll allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes. I'm gonna get ready to prep my fruits that I'll be using. I'll cut my mango into tiny pieces. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like what we are doing. It will not cost you anything, just subscribe. It will go a long way to help us in bringing more videos to you. Thank you. Okay, now my pasta is almost done. As you can see, with the oil on it, it will not be sticky. I will pour it into my sieve to drain out the water. And I will put the running water on it so that it will rinse off all the starch. I'll set it aside to let the water drain out. Now you can see we are ready to make it. I have the pineapple sliced already, cut into tiny pieces, and the mango, the mayonnaise, and the condensed milk. I'll be pouring it into my bowl to mix all together. And when you pour everything in, you then mix them up to combine all together. It's already getting done. Okay, now we're ready. The macaroni fruit salad is ready. As you can see, it came out so well. So feel free to use any fruit of your choice. I decided to use mango and pineapple because my children love it. So feel free to use any fruit of your choice. And remember to subscribe, like what we're doing, and please comment and share. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. And remember to click on your notification bell so that whenever we post, you'll be able to notify you. Share and like. Thank you. Bye-bye.
My woman, they give me joy. But when you on yourself, wait for you to replace them for me. I know them go never leave me up to me dirty. Now why we they call them?